Yeah, Becky, that's exactly right. Expectations were already low going into yesterday, and Apple, I guess they didn't disappoint on that front. They were low for a reason, by the way. After last year's debut of Apple Intelligence at this very same conference, Apple failed to live up to its promises, most notably delaying that big artificial intelligence update to Siri. So Apple played it safe this year, sticking to software updates it can deliver on time. That means less AI and more of the general updates to the operating systems for iPhone, iPad, Mac, and all the other platforms out there. Analysts have been reacting this morning. It's not pretty. UBS saying more evolutionary than revolutionary. Wells Fargo, we think investors will still need to hear and see more, and so on. You get the idea. Biggest news had nothing to do with AI. A new design scheme, they're calling it Liquid Glass, which is based on the software design you see in the Vision Pro. Now, all of Apple's operating systems will have that similar look when you upgrade your software later this year. On the artificial intelligence front, some minor features, they didn't totally ignore it. That includes live translation, which automatically translates text messages, phone calls, and FaceTime video calls to your preferred language. Apple also expanded its partnership with OpenAI for visual intelligence. That means you can now read the content on your screen when you take a screenshot, and then you use that for a web search. We've seen that before from other device makers as well. And developers, they are now able to tap into the Apple Intelligence system using Apple's language models that run on the phone, though we'll have to see if they choose Apple's technology over the tools they're already using from OpenAI and so many others. Now, Apple barely acknowledged Siri during the keynote, only saying it still needs more time to work on that big AI update, and teased more announcements on that coming soon. So now we got WWDC behind us. We look to what Apple can do in hardware. It's bread and butter, of course. We're expecting the next family of iPhones to launch this fall. Maybe that can drum up some excitement, but Apple is signaling it's holding off on major artificial intelligence advances this year. But guys, its competitors, they're not going to be slowing down.